Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video. And today in this video, guys, I am going to be unboxing my new colorful LED backlit multimedia gaming keyboard from Rii. So let's just get this out of this. Let's just that totally fell. So I think this is already open a little bit. Where is it? Okay, it doesn't look like it's fully opened. So we gotta go to the back. Release this. Is there any tape anywhere else? Wait a minute. Complicated boxing. Oh, so it just... Oh wow, this is actually pretty hard. Okay, sorry guys, little troubles opening the box there, so, yo, guys, look at this. This is so cool. Okay, let's just get this out of here. I wonder if it has to be charged first. So let's just not totally throw that box away. And this is the packaging. Very nice package. Very hard to unpackage. So let's get this out. I bet you there was instructions in there, but whatever. Oh, so guys, I don't know if you can hear the noise, but it has a very nice noise. And as you can see, the WASD, that's how you run around in like Roblox and Fortnite, that's actually highlighted. So are these keys, and it has actually bolded letters than these. And this one has like up, down, sideways marks, but my old keyboard does not. So yeah, this is a pretty nice keyboard. So I think this is the light button, this one right here, because you could see that sun right there. So I'll be back when I hook this thing up. Okay guys, so I connected it, so this button's to turn it on. So 3, 2, 1. Whoa, this is actually so cool. You can actually see the lights from right here. So the keys are really high. I've never seen something like that before. So now let's test out, like, I don't want to, like, that's like my Roblox. So let's just like type random things, or like Roblox. Honestly, this is gonna take some getting used to, but I actually really like this keyboard. It is so cool. It sounds really nice. I know it sounds so nice. This is that sound though. It's so satisfying, especially the backspace. What about the numbers? Very nice. So overall, I probably rate this keyboard a 9 out of 10. It's actually really like comfortable to use. Even like it's like really comfortable to use. So with that being said, there is actually a new feature on here that is you press the sun button right here, located there. Then you click it and click that one, and it should start pulsing. See, it's pulsing up. The lights are going off, on. I don't really like that, but it's a cool feature how you can do that. Like, if some of you have this keyboard and you actually want to do that, it's very cool. So let's just, I think you press it again. Yeah, I like it like this, like plain old, lights. So, yeah, I recommend getting this keyboard. It's actually very cheap for a gaming keyboard. It's like $16 USA. So, yeah, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. So, guys, I'm going to put a link in the description to where you can buy this keyboard. And also, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more. So I guess this was kind of a review and kind of an unboxing. So yeah, guys, pieces of pie.